All right, we're on video 3 of order of operations. If you haven't seen video 2, I recommend that you go back and watch that. Video 1 maybe not as necessary. Video 3 is going to include parentheses. So let's draw up a problem with parentheses. 2 times parentheses 3 plus 6 minus 2 plus 10 divided by 2. Okay, so the very first part of this problem which we should do, according to PEMDAS, the order of operations, our operations are addition, subtraction, division, or multiplication. Parentheses, anything inside of a parentheses we should do first. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Now, some people are going to think we got to copy everything we didn't use, as I told you into my other videos. But if we copy these parentheses, what's the point? I mean, we have times on this side, times 2. We have minus 2 on this side. This parentheses doesn't need to be here anymore. There's nothing else to do inside of this parentheses. So anytime there's nothing else to do inside of the parentheses, you actually don't need to copy it down anymore. So what am I going to copy? Everything else that I didn't use. This multiplication symbol, this minus symbol I didn't use, and everything to the right I did not use. Okay, PEMDAS, what should I do next? There's no more parentheses. Is there any multiplication or division? Yes, there's a multiplication and there's a division. Which one should I do first? Some people think we should do multiplication first because it comes first in PEMDAS. Not true. It's whichever one comes first in the problem. So if I go multiplication, division, which one came first? The multiplication came first. So I will continue with 2 times 9 equals 18 and copy everything else that I didn't use. Then I can decide what to do next. We have subtraction, addition, and division. What should I do first? According to PEMDAS, I should do division before any addition or subtraction. So we'll do division first. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Make sure you copy everything else down that you did not use. Okay, this is a good one because we have subtraction come first and then addition. And according to order of operations, A comes before S. But it's very important that you pay attention to this line here. There's a reason I drew this line. Because addition and subtraction are together. They are not one more powerful than the other. It's whichever one comes first. Which one comes first, the subtraction or the addition? The subtraction comes first. 16 plus 5, I will copy, and 16 plus 5 equals 21. So if I give you a problem similar to video 2, let's see if you can solve it. So if I do something very similar, 3 times, let's see, 4 times, no, let's do addition inside of the parentheses. 4 plus 6, divided by 2 plus 8. So the answer to this one is going to be 23, and as I said before, some students aren't used to this. Teachers do not care about the answer. I don't really care if you can get the answer correct, because some of you could look at the process of another student, some of you could use a calculator, some of you could do it in your brain and get it correct one time, but that doesn't mean that you're going to get it correct every single time, especially when we start to add more parentheses and more exponents. So it's this part right here. Can you show your work to get the answer 23? Because if you can do that, then we can trust you to do more complicated problems.